going to be a rich, wealthy, bitter woman. That's her dream, see? Your short-term dreams are, I want to be off this bus and stop talking to this stupid-ass motherfucker. But, you know, you haven't told me what you want to do in the long run.
What do you want to do?
Yeah, what do you want to do?
I want to be a hedge fund manager.
What?
It's a motherfucker.
It's a guy who, like, trims hedges for a living. That's what
Right, exactly.
Trees?
Yeah. Like
Marijuana plants?
Sure.
That was funny.
You came up with that joke.
Hand me some of that. Hand me some of that.
I'm cool. I ain't touching this.
There you go. Pick that up, dude. That's a hedge fund right there.
Hey, trim the tree. You said that's what you want.
That's a hedge fund right there.
You know what a hedge fund manager is, right?
I work in the financial services sector.
So he obviously knows what a hedge fund manager is. It has nothing at all to do with this fucking plan.
You qualify? Hold on. Do you qualify?
You preach! Hallelujah!
We're in a discussion. Ask me anything.
Anything.
Mathematical. What the fuck?
How many shots?
How many bottles you want?
Not enough to fuck
You got a USA.
You over though. You over. It's only like, ah, damn, I need to sit down for a little bit and then come back. Okay.
You didn't stop drinking, man.
I don't need to stop drinking.
He's having fun. Drink away. Party like a rock star. It's Friday.
Huh?
I disagree with you.
Why?
You disagree.
Because you
It's
two,
fucked up Friday today.
That's why I disagree with you. Because you're making it seem like, oh, it's Friday, let's get drunk and have sex with some random.
Have sex?
That's what you
No, that's what you think. We never said that.
What world are you in?
Game over.
I like this bus ride. Mike?
Yes, sir.
I'm not really going to do Okay. What are you going to do?
It's your USF guy.
Yes, it is, Mike.
Is this,
USF, huh?
Joel Alvarado?
Alcedo.
I say.
Yes, you.
Alcedo?
Alcedo.
Huh?
It's my last name, and Joel is my first name.
Oh, nice to meet you,
Joel.
Joel.
What's your
Joel's
USF?
nationality. I was born in Peru. My mom's Nepalese. My dad's Mexican American. I've lived in Indonesia for 8 years of my life, and I've lived in India for 6 years of my life. I associate myself as an
Interview
Indonesian.
dude for a job.
You get around.
I've always wanted to go to India.
What was that?
I said I've always wanted.
Beautiful place.
Is it?
You should go there.
I want to.
I would actually recommend Indonesia more than India,
I'm
just
Indonesian.
based on my experiences, just because I like
I thought
Indonesia
the
more.
seat was facing this way, but he's just sitting there.
But, you know, oh well. What's your name? You've been quiet.
Quiet guy.
You're quiet. What was that?
Jacob.
Jacob. I had a really close friend named Jacob. He actually wore this shirt and he died. But,
Well, you gonna wear Hey, hold on. You gonna wear your shirt?
But this is a little deep.
it's not a shame shirt. It's making me remember the amazing times I've had with that friend.
You should have framed that shirt then, boy. What you doing? Where you wearing it?
It gives me
Life.
happiness.
Happiness.
You don't have to
Preach.
understand it.
I understand you.
God.
Praise the Lord.
Hey, USF is coming up, bro.
I know USF is coming up, man. It's almost
some many shit.
Woo! Almost an alumni there.
Okay, since
We gotta catch this tomorrow again, bro. We gotta catch this tomorrow.
I don't care.
We're gonna come to your dorm and
Tell
touch
me
your
I'm
dorm.
full of shit.
We come to your dorm.
Yeah.
How about this? I'll ride on the 5 until you guys get off, then I'll stay here by myself.
Last stop, brother.
I don't care.
Last stop.
Last stop.
No, but
We're all the way to Ocean
fuck
Beach.
everyone else. Sorry. What? This way. I said fuck everyone else.
You said that to me. Shit.
Okay, I'm
I
sorry.
heard him say fuck black people. That's what I heard.
Get him!
I'm just saying, man.
What's up? Yo, play with your ass like the fuck out.
Look, he over here, Robin. Turn. We the laughing
And I'm very sorry. Because you could have fucking done something against it. But you chose not to, Mike. And it makes me sad. There are people out there
Stay out of this spot.
change. Mike,
You're starting to piss me off. Okay. But the thing is,
Are
Mike,
they
I
together?
had a fucking cell, motherfucker. What the fuck have you done? Nothing. So shut the fuck up, motherfucker. Shut up. Stop saying
really
it's
defensive.
Shut the fuck up. Shut up. You pissed me off. Shut up.
Are they together?
Nothing. Stop sitting next to me and shut the fuck up. Get the fuck off on your fucking USF bus stop, okay? You're starting to piss me off.
Oh, fucking time somebody spoke up.
Even though you're not gonna shake You're starting to fucking piss me off. Seriously.
Pissing them off, man. Don't want to piss your brother off.
You're starting to fucking piss me off. Seriously.
I'll sit next to
I ain't not
Jacob.
done nothing in my life. Shave your fucking head, motherfucker. Shave that fucking scrounge off. Seriously.
No, we don't.
You guys?
don't know each other?
No, you just started talking on the fucking movie.
Oh my God! I thought you were like best friends.
You started telling me about my life and shit like, you don't know what you
I gotta take a
fucking
picture
done.
and put it on
Like,
Facebook.
Pierce,
Take a picture on the bus.
What's wrong with
do you know where you're going?
you? There's something wrong with you.
Do you know where you're going?
I know exactly where I'm going.
Do you need directions?
We didn't make a show. We were looking out for you, man.
Look out for your best
We ain't
shit.
trying to do no harm. We over there having fun too. I'm just saying though.
Just said.
He over here drunk and talking hella gravy, man.
You know what? I know exactly where I'm going.
Okay, I don't give a fuck. That's the bottom line.
And
Yeah, you can't
nice to meet you.
You can't even stand up, man.
Have fun.
You're gonna get out.
See you next time.
Back door, back door,
Fuck, hey, don't
back
fuck.
door.
Off here?
Please let him off.
Please let him up. He got a bomb on the bus, man. Help everybody out.
Don't forget, Mike.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, she got his number too?
yeah.
Hell, I'm not talking to that dude. That nigga's crazy.